Let's dive into the mysteries of nature. This time, you'll learn 10 of the most fascinating facts about the majestic blue whale. For example, did you know how big its heart is? Let's begin. 10 curious facts about blue whales. Number 1. Blue whales are the largest animals on the planet. When I say they're giants, I mean it. They usually measure between 80 to 100 feet. Let me tell you about the longest blue whale on record. A female measuring a whopping 97 feet. And if that's not enough, there are reports of blue whales reaching 108 feet in length. How big is that? Imagine 3 school buses together. It's truly mind-boggling for the human eye. Number 2. They have a heart the size of a car. The heart of a blue whale is enormous. It can weigh over 1,322 pounds and is roughly the size of a small car. Its beat is so powerful that it can be detected from almost 2 miles away underwater. The rhythm can increase to 37 beats per minute after a dive. And here's a rather unsettling fact. Its heartbeat is so strong that it could be heard several meters away if you were submerged in the water next to the whale. Can you imagine hearing its heartbeat while you're peacefully swimming? That's scary. Number 3. They have massive arteries. Believe it or not, the arteries of a blue whale are so large that an adult human could swim through the largest ones, like the aorta. It's like a water slide. This artery has a diameter of over 11.8 inches when the whale is fully grown. It's even estimated that with each beat, a whale's heart can pump more than 220 liters of blood. A blue whale can have over 7,500 liters of blood in its body, and its arterial system is crucial in handling this volume. Can you imagine that? Number 4. They give birth enormous calves. Did you know that whale calves are one of the fastest-growing living beings on the planet? These creatures are born after a gestation period of approximately 11 months. So, at birth, blue whale calves measure around 23 feet long and weigh approximately 6,613 pounds. 3 tons of pure love. During the first 7 months, the calf can gain around 198 pounds daily thanks to the mother's milk, which is very rich in fat and is what enables these little ones to grow to gigantic sizes upon birth. Number 5. The size of their tongues is incredible. The tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. Incredible, isn't it? Even for an animal of its size, its tongue can take up so much space in its mouth that theoretically, 50 people could stand on it, as it weighs around 5,950 pounds. In terms of volume, a blue whale's tongue could fill an average-sized room. Despite these dimensions, its function is quite specific. It helps push water out of the whale's mouth after it has swallowed a large amount of seawater to filter its main food source, krill. Number 6. They have their own underwater songs. Blue whales are great singers of what are essentially a series of hums, chirps, and other sounds that can last up to half an hour and repeat for hours. That's a whole aquatic song. These songs can be a means of communication during the mating season and are believed to play a role in attracting a mate. It's even believed that males are the primary singers, especially during this season. Specifically, these songs play a role in mate attraction and could be a display of physical fitness. Number 7. They have really heavy testicles. The male genitalia of a blue whale can measure up to 9.8 feet long, while the testicles of a blue whale are the largest of any living animal, weighing up to a whopping 330 pounds each. However, even though their testicles are very large, the amount of sperm produced in each ejaculation is relatively small in proportion to the size of the animal, as much of the ejaculated volume is made up of seminal fluids. Number 8. Blue whales aren't really blue. Although blue whales appear blue underwater, they are actually bluish-gray. Their bellies, however, are yellow due to the millions of microorganisms that attach and live on their bodies while swimming in nutrient-rich waters. Like many other whales, blue whales have unique and distinctive markings on their bodies, similar to fingerprints. However, the coloration of blue whales can change as they age, as calves may have a darker tone that lightens with age. Number 9. They could fit up to 100 people in its mouth. Have you ever wondered how many people could fit inside the mouth of this gigantic animal? The mouth of a blue whale is extraordinary because approximately 100 people could fit inside it, according to scientists. Its mouth is very flexible thanks to the 80 to 100 long grooves that extend along its throat and chest. When swallowing water, the blue whale filters out krill using baleen plates, a specialized adaptation of its mouth. And before telling you the last fact, here's a bonus. Did you know that the blue whale is capable of diving to great depths? The impressive lung capacity of the blue whale allows these ocean giants to dive to significant depths in search of food. For instance, they can descend to about 19,000 inches and remain underwater for up to 20 minutes, which they achieved through their special lung adaptations. Number 10. They're relatives of hippos. Did you know that whales and hippos share a common ancestor? Yes, I'm talking about the so-called coal beast, which lived in the Miocene and was characterized by having no less than 44 teeth. It went extinct around 13 million years ago. Dental records suggest that both whales and hippos evolved from this common ancestor. And that's all for now. Tell me, which fact impressed you the most? Leave your comment down below, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.